ZetaFisc has a built-in AI assistant, the virtual accountant. You can ask it about your business in plain English, and it reads your live data to answer. It can also carry out tasks for you. Let us try it. We ask how many customers we have. It answers instantly, 2 customers, both active, named from our records. We ask what one of them owes us. It works out the outstanding balance from their invoices and payments. We can ask about money too. Let us check our revenue. Beyond questions, the virtual accountant can do things for you. We ask it to create an invoice. Notice it does not act blindly. It shows a confirmation card with the details it understood, and waits. We can confirm, edit, or cancel. As this is just a demonstration, we cancel. That is the virtual accountant. Ask it anything about your books and it answers from your live data, or have it carry out a task, always confirming before it changes anything. It is like having an accountant on call inside ZetaFisc.